Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to change your icons on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation will be going to the settings, and here scroll down a little bit until you see the themes section. And here press the icons in the middle and go down a little bit. Or if you want to pay, you can buy the paid ones. Or if you want the free ones, just scroll down a little bit until you see the free options. Choose one that is according to your preference, or buy one that you like. I have already downloaded them, so I have to go to the themes section and press my things. And here you will have in the my stuff section and the icons tab. And here you can choose between the default and the other ones that you downloaded. And we can press on them and press apply. It will take some few seconds. And as you can see, our icons of the apps change to the black style as we set up. So if you considered this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.